Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add our contact to our favorite in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To make our contact favorite, we have to go to the phone book first. Now we can choose a contact that we want. Let's add Dorothy to our favorites. And as we tap name in our contact list, here is our favorites options. So we just simply need to tap it once, and now Dorothy is at the top of our list in the special group favorites. This group does not exist if we have no favorite contacts. As you can see, it's at the top. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.